Welcome to math class. In your previous class, we have to practice that number names, forward counting and backward counting. And you also practiced that before, after and between numbers. Now I would like to tell you a small story of Fatih and Preeti. Here is a girl named Fatih and here is a woman named Preeti. And this is their home. At home, Fatih is a daughter and Preeti is a mother. The relationship between them is mother and daughter. Fatih and Preeti goes to same school. In school, Fatih is a student and Preeti is a teacher. At school, the relationship between them is teacher and student. The face value of a girl is Fatih and the face value of a woman is Preeti. The girl will always be Fatih and the woman will always be Preeti. This is the face value. This is the face value. With the change of their places, Fatih becomes either daughter or student. Daughter at home and student at school. Preeti becomes mother at home and teacher at school. The face value remains the same and the place value changes with the place. Let us take an example. Look here children. What is the number here? Yes, that is 896. 896. In this number, each digit has a value depending on its place, which is called place value. Which is called place value. First write the places. First write the places upon the digits. First write the places. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In ones place, what is the digit here? Yes, that is 6. 6 is in ones place. The place value and the face value both are same for the digit in ones place. That is 6. Very good. Coming to the tens place. In tens place, what is the digit children? Yes, that is 9. 9 is in tens place. So, the face value of 9 is 9 and the place value of 9 is 90 because 9 in tens place. 9 tens 90. Very good. Next, coming to the hundreds place. In hundreds place, what is the digit here? 8. 8 in hundreds place. So, the face value of 8 is 8 and the place value of 8 is 800 because 8 in hundreds place. 8 in hundreds place. See here, how many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. How many tens are there? 9 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. So, 8 hundreds, 9 tens, 6 ones. Very good. Now, let us do the practice time. See here, write the place value of the underlined digit. Write the place value of the underlined digit. First, A1. So, here some mushrooms are given. In the middle of the mushrooms, some numbers are given. See, 24. 24. 24. Underlined digit is 2. Underlined digit is 2. So, 2 in which place? Tens place. 2 in tens place. So, the place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 2 is 20. Next, coming to this. What is the number here? 988. 988. So, in this number, what is the underlined digit? 8 is the underlined digit. So, the place value of 8 is 8 in tens place. The place value of 8 is 80. 80. 80. Next, coming to C1. What is the number here? 325. 325. So, 2 underline digit is 2. 2 in tens place. So, 2 tens 20. Next, coming to this one. What is the number? 354. 354. So, underline digit is 3. 3 in hundreds place. So, the place value of 3 is 300. 3 is 300. Second Roman. Find the place value of the colored digits and join each lock to the correct key. Here some locks and here some keys. So we have to identify the correct key. See here, first here, what is the number? 48. In this 48, what is the colored digit here? 4 is colored digit. So 4. 4 in which place? Tens place. 4 in tens place. So 4 tens 40. The place value of 4 is 40. In this case, where is 40? So here is 40. So we have to match this one. 40. Next. Next. What is the number here? 185. 185. In this number, what is the colored digit? So 8 is colored digit. 8 is colored digit. 8 is in which place? 8 is in tens place. 8 tens 80. Where is 80? 80. So see, it is the 80 key. 80 key. So it is matched. Next, 83, 83. Here what is the colored digit? 3 is the colored digit. So 3 in ones place. The face value and the place value both are same at the digit in ones place. So 3 place value is 3 only. Where is the number 3 key? So see, 3 here. So we have to match this one. Match. Next. 503. 503. 503. Next. Here colored digit is 0. 0 place value is 0. The place value and the place value both are same for the digit 0 also. So where is 0? Number 0 key. Yes, it is the number 0. And the last one, 327. 327. Here colored digit is 3. So 3 in hundreds place. 3 in hundreds place. So the value is 300. Where is 300? Here. Yes. So now it is matched. 300. Let us see the third Roman. Write the face value of the underlined digit. Write the face value of the underlined digit. Face value means the face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of a digit always remains the same. Always remains the same. See here, what is the underlined digit here? 3. The face value of 3 is always 3 only. 3. Next, coming to B1. 187. So, underlined digit is 1. 1. The face value of 1 is 1 only. Always remains the same. The face value of a digit always remains the same. So 1 only. Next 674. 674. So underlined digit is 7. 7 face value is 7 only. Next 289. The underlined digit is 8. The face value of 8 is 8. 816. 816. Underlined digit is 6. The face value of 6 is 6 only. Next 385. Underlined digit is 3. 3 face value is 3. See children, what is this? Yes, it is a rubber band. It is a rubber band. It is in standard position. Now I will expand this rubber band. See here, it is expanded. Now it is expanded. Standard. Now expanded. Like that, numbers also we have short form and we can also expand that numbers according to their place values according to their place values. Look here children. What is the number here? 392. 392. So first 3 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place, 2 in ones place. Ones, see here, it is the standard form. It is the standard form. Now I will expand this number. See here, 3. 3 in hundreds place, that is 300. Very good. Next, 9 in tens place, 9 tens, 90. Next, 2 in ones place, 2. 392. 392. So, expanded form is 300 plus 90 plus 2. 392. 392. The face value and the place value both are same for any digit in ones place. Any digit in ones place. Let us do the practice time. See here, what is the Roman here? Write the expanded form of the following numbers. What is the number here? 425. 425. First write the places upon the digits. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Write the places upon the digits. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So, first what is the highest place digit here? 4. 4 in which place? Hundreds place. The place value of 4 is 400. Now I have to expand the 4. 425. Expanded form. 400 plus. 400 plus. Next. What is the digit here? 2. 2 in which place? Tens place. 2 tens. 20. Plus. Next last ones place digit is 5. 5 ones 5. Next coming to B1. What is the number here? 306. First write the places upon the digits. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First 3. 3 in hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 300. 300 plus. Next, 0 in tens place. So, 0 place value is 0 only. Plus 6. 6 in ones place. 6 ones, 6. It is the expanded form. So, 425 expanded form is 400 plus 20 plus 5. 306 expanded form is 300 plus 0 plus 6. C1. 795. So, first write the places upon the digits. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, first what is the hundreds place digit? 7. So, 7 in hundreds place. The place value of 7 is 700. Plus 9 in tens place. The place value of 9 is 90. Plus 5 in ones place. The place value of 5 is 5. The place value and the face value. The place value and the face value both are same at the digit in ones place. Next. 123. 123. So, what is the first write the places upon the digits? Ones, tens, hundreds. So, what is the hundreds place digit? 1. 1 in hundreds place. The place value of 1 is 100. Next, 2 in tens place. The place value of 2 is 20. Next, 3 in ones place. The place value of 3 is 3. So, it is the expanded form for given numbers. Next, arrange and write the numbers in their short form. First, A1, 2 tens, 5 hundreds, 3 ones. 2 tens, 5 hundreds, 3 ones. First, write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First, see here, So first highest place is hundreds. How many hundreds here? 2 tens, 5 hundreds. How many hundreds? How many hundreds? How many hundreds? 5 hundreds. So write the digit in hundreds place. 5 hundreds. Next tens place. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens. Next, how many ones? 3 ones. 3 ones. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First, see how many hundreds here? 0 ones, 6 hundreds, 3 tens. 0 ones, 6 hundreds, 3 tens. How many hundreds here? 6 hundreds. So hundreds digit is 6. Next, how many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens. Next, how many ones? 0 ones. Next, write the digits and write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First identify here. How many hundreds here? 9 hundreds. How many ones? 5 ones. 7 tens. 9 hundreds, 5 ones, 7 tens. First, how many hundreds here? 9 hundreds. So, hundreds place digit is 9. Hundreds place digit is 9. Next highest place is tens. Hundreds place before tens place. What is the digit? 10. How many tens here? 7 tens. So, tens place digit is 7. Remaining how many ones? 5 ones. Last one. Ones. First write the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First see here. How many hundreds? 0 hundreds. 0 tens. 5 ones. 0 hundreds. 0 tens. 5 ones. First write how many hundreds? 0 hundreds. Next. 0 tens, 5 ones. And last Roman is write the short form. Write the short form. First A1 is 400 plus 50 plus 6. 400 plus 50 plus 6. First write the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 400. 400. How many hundreds? 4. The digit is 4. 400s. How many tens? 50. How many tens? 5 tens? 50. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens. How many ones? 6 ones. So the standard form of 400 plus 5 plus 50 plus 6 is 456. Next, coming to B. 200 plus 60 plus 1. First write the places. Ones, tens, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Hundreds. Next, here 200. How many hundreds? How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. 2. The digit is 2. 200. Next, how many tens? 60. 6 tens, 60. How many tens? 6 tens. Next, how many ones? 1 ones. Next, 900 plus 40 plus 9. 900 plus 40 plus 9. First write places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So, how many hundreds here? 900. In 900, how many hundreds? 9 hundreds. 900. 40. 4 tens, 40. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens, 40. 9 ones, 9. 9 ones, 9. 949. The standard form is 949. The short form is 949. Next, 100 plus 30 plus 7. 100 plus 30 plus 7. So, first write the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See, 100 plus 30 plus 7. So how many hundreds here? 100. Only 100. How many tens? 3 tens, 30. 30. 3 tens, 30. How many ones? 7 ones. So this is the short form and this is the expanded form. Short form, expanded form.